Push-ups represent one of the most effective calisthenic exercises for developing upper body strength when performed correctly. Conversely, improper technique not only results in wasted effort, but also hampers progress and increases the risk of injury. It is quite likely that individuals are committing at least one of the following 5 common errors. Allow me to address these issues. The first error is looking upwards. Tilting the neck disrupts spinal alignment and places undue strain on the cervical muscles. Instead, one should focus on a point on the floor slightly ahead of the hands to maintain head and spine alignment. The second error involves elbows being splayed wide like a T. When elbows extend perpendicular to the body, this exposes the shoulder joint to increased risk. It is advisable to angle the elbows back at approximately 45 degrees relative to the torso, creating an arrow-like appearance from a top-down view. The third error is characterized by sagging hips. This position compromises the lumbar region and inadvertently simplifies the movement inappropriately. Instead, one should engage the core, contract the glutes, and ensure a straight alignment from the head to the heels, avoiding any midline dipping. The fourth error relates to shoulders being rolled forward. This posture diminishes chest activation and shifts the burden onto smaller stabilizer muscles, which can rapidly fatigue. Therefore, it is essential to pull the shoulders back and maintain tension throughout the entire set. Finally, the fifth error consists of a purely vertical motion. Push-ups should not resemble an elevator descent. Focusing solely on upward and downward movement limits full engagement of the pectoral muscles. Rather, one should aim to exert force slightly forward as well as upwards, mimicking the action of pushing the floor away. With these corrections, you can enhance your push-up effectiveness. For additional guidance, subscribe to our channel.